Hey guys, hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Day 7, guys. Welcome back. Today I've been in the house all day and I'm like, you know what? I have to vlog. And y'all know I've been distracted with the construction in my bedroom. I'm actually going to take y'all in and see. Like, the painter had to, I guess he works 2 jobs. So he could not finish. So it's like not even halfway done. He's supposed to be coming back tonight. And hopefully everything will be done tonight. And we can start moving forward with the floors. So I figured I'll jump on here and give you guys like a quick try on haul. I did order me some Skims. My first time ever ordering Skims. I ordered just 3 pieces. I think a hoodie, pants, and a tank top. So I said, since I really didn't leave out the house, let me just vlog with you guys and do a unboxing and a try on haul with Skims. And I did want to show y'all those 2 outfits that I got from Target, which is so cute. I can't wait to rock those. I'm actually trying to get Babe to take a weekend trip to Florida, and I know I'll be able to wear them out like to dinner in Florida. So keep your fingers crossed that Babe agrees to go to Florida. He really didn't want to travel at all this year. So that's that. So let's just get into this Skims unboxing. So I'm going to show y'all and do the little try on haul. And then I will show you guys the 2 outfits that I got from Target that I think is just like super cute and super chill. And if you're new here, welcome to Life with Sid. If you're new here and you just stumbled over my channel while I'm doing Vlogmas, you might want to join the family. So hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So without further ado, let's just get into this Skims unboxing and try on haul. And like I said, a little bit of the Target haul. Okay guys, this is how the package came. I'm not sitting at my desk today. Like I said, my house is in shambles, so we got a little mid-shift setup right here. But this is how the package came. I'm going to open it. I'm trying to one-hand it. Let's see if I can one-hand it. Yeah, I can one-hand it. Alright, so comes like this. And then you have the Skims logo. Okay, Skims. And here is my items. This is a big old box for these 3 items, but I'll take it. So let's just get them out the box, and I'm going to try them on. I'm going to tell y'all, what did I get? Where's the packing? I already opened this, just wanted to see. But I don't even know what I did with the packing list. Oh, wait, here it is. So I got a... Let me turn the camera back around. So I got the cozy joggers, and I got a size small medium. I ordered a zip-up hoodie, and I ordered a cozy knit tank top. I got it all in the color smoke. So let's just try it on. You know, I'm gonna open it. Let's open it before we try it on. So here's the tank top, and it's in a small medium. I like the little packaging. Small medium. This is the tank top. And it's a cozy. Now I had cozy sets, but I didn't get it from Skims. I actually had one from H&M and one from Fashion Nova, I think. But this is the tank top. And then, what is this? It's all labeled on here. This is how the labels look. If y'all haven't seen it, if you haven't ordered Skims yet, probably have. I'm a little late to the game when it comes to Skims. Every time I try to order something, my size was always sold out, so that's why I never got anything. And this is the zip-up hoodie. Super cute. Zip up hoodie. And here are the pants. Now I think the pants are high waist joggers. They don't have elastic at the bottom, but they're cut at the bottom just like joggers. But it doesn't, it's stretchy, so it might be a little elastic in them. Yeah, it is. It's elastic in them. But let's see. All right, so let's just try this on and see how it looks. And if it looks cute, I will be wearing this tomorrow. They look a little short to me, so hopefully they fit. I know these ain't just Kim's height. Come on now, Kim. All right, guys, let me just try this stuff on. Here is the Skims, the tank top and the pants. Doesn't have pockets, so I don't really care for that part. But they fit pretty cute. The tank top is cute. I have a short torso, and it's supposed to be cropped, so it's not cropped on me. And I don't have the pants hiked up, but it is what it is. But it's warm and cozy, and I'm looking over here because my mirror's here. And like I said, my setup is a little different today because of everything that's going on. But anyway, back to stay focused. The Skims, and this is how they look. The pants are a little cropped on me. I would definitely probably wear this with like a little mini Uggs if I like wore it out, because it's cold out. It's cold in Jersey. It's frigid. So let me try it on with the hoodie. Here's the hoodie, and it's a zip up hoodie. So let's just do the hoodie. And this is how it look if you just wear it open, which is super cute and cozy. The sleeves are a little long, which I like when I'm cold. I like to pull my sleeves over my hands a little bit. And I don't know if I will wear it with the strings like this. I know on my Central sweatpants, the strings is long like this. But this is on the inside, so you can tuck them in. But it's a lot to tuck in. So I will definitely, yeah, you can't see it. I will tuck the strings in. And this is cute. Let's zip it up and see how it look. Okay, this is how it looks zippered up. Put down. And it's cute. It has pockets. The pockets is a little shallow. Shallow. What are you saying, Put? I don't know. Anyway, the pockets, look, my hand, oh, I have to ball my hands up for it to cover my whole hand. So I don't like that part. All right, let's see the hood. And this is how it looks with the hood. So it's cute. Okay, it's giving Kim. It's giving Kim Kardashian. Okay, it is. And again, this is how it looks from behind. So it's super cute. It's not as heavy as I thought it was. I thought it was like super heavy. It's not super heavy. It's very lightweight, cozy. Like she said it is. It's very cozy. So I will give this a 8 out of 10 just because I don't like the crop. Now I like crop sweatpants, but I will like this one. And I know they had other options. I should have got the wide leg pants, where that probably would have came all the way down. So I will give this an 8 out of 10 Skims. All right, so now I'm going to show y'all the 2 outfits I got from Target. Okay, so here is the fuchsia pink one. This is the outfit from Target. I will definitely roll up the sleeves on this. So this is how it is. The sleeves are kind of short. So if you're taller than me, I'm only 5'4", so the sleeves are like here. So I think I will probably wear them with the sleeves rolled up. And this is how it is if you just wear it plain just like this. But I will zhuzh it up a little bit and probably put a knot in mine. Put a little knot. And this is just for the video. I could do a knot a little bit better than this, but for the video, put a little knot. Then you could just tuck in the back. And then this is super cute. Grab your little clutch. Go on a date. And then, like, you could wear like a little mule. Like, this is like one of my little favorite mules that I just grabbed. It's from Fashion Nova. The clear heel. And then, yeah, so this would be super cute. I'll wear it like this with a knot. Or you could do the halfway tucked in. One side tucked in, one side out. That's always a super cute look. And you could probably do unfasten another button and tuck it in. Or leave that one. I probably will leave that one. That's showing a little skin. Don't want to do that. So yeah, this is a cute look. One side in, one side out. And the pants have pockets, which I love, which is super cute. And I will definitely, like I said, roll up the sleeves. But I love it, and it's so comfortable. And I got mine in a medium just so I can have room. And look how much this elastic. You can never go wrong with elastic waistbands. And I have them up kind of high waist, and I still have some length. You can see how far they come down past my ankle. So I love that. Love, love, love that. And this is the fuchsia pink one. I know it's probably coming up a little red on camera, but it's definitely fuchsia pink, and it's so, so cute and comfy. Yes, I love it. All right, so let me show y'all the brown one. Okay, here is the brown one, and I'm loving this color as well. Super, super cute. And like I said, I rolled up the sleeves on both of them, so I do like it with the sleeves up. I love that vibe. And like I said, or, you know, I said a mule, like a little heel. You can actually do these with some flats as well. Like, it's giving like everything I thought it would from Target. So, so cute. This is the back. So cute. Grab your little clutch. How cute. Super cute, right? Target, girls. Target. I love it. This back. I love the pockets. This is definitely a cute little date night or brunch, wherever you decide to go. It's super cute. I love it. Okay, guys, that is it for this quick little Skims try on haul / Target for Vlogmas day 7. And I'm off to go vlog for day 8. Yeah, so if you're new here and you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button, that bell notification, and every time they go upload a video, guess what? You will be notified. Yes, and don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm trying my best with this Vlogmas. It's hard, ladies. It's hard, guys. It's hard. But I'm getting it done for y'all. I'm trying my best. Yes, I am. Well, until tomorrow. Peace out.